Hey everybody, it's time for the August rocket launch. As you're going to see, we're going to do a demonstration after this on some of the design changes that we've made in the construction of the rocket. The main feature, as you'll find out, is they all thread together now, and I don't need to use as many screws. Only 3 screws hold each rocket together with no glue. I've also replaced the way we bind the motors to the motor mount so it's more stable and less chance of the motors flying out the bottom. And I've done all kinds of crazy stuff to the recovery process to hopefully finally make it reliable. So let's see, the wind is light and variable, mostly coming from the southwest. It's about 80 degrees and we are in Windsor. So let's get the first one talked about. It'll be Parnassus, the naming convention. This launch is Balkan Mountain Peaks, and that's the whole Balkans. All right. Well, we've done some crazy new designing for the rockets, and the primary feature of the day is all the tubes now have threaded couplers. So instead of having to have little screws holding it together, I can just screw them together with threaded couplers. And so here's an example. I think most people know what threaded means, but I'm going to try to do this here in the field. Of course, there's always a problem when you've never done it in the field before. Oh, right. I forgot I did reverse threads for no reason. There. And that's how they all go together. Now, the main other feature is, again, we're showing that the fins are using this setup, right? And the motors are now, instead of being screwed in with little screws, they are going in these little screw caps which screw into the bottom and hold them fast. It means I don't need to bring tools. The only 3 screws are necessary to keep this airframe onto the rocket. And I have just loosened it up, but we'll worry about that later on. All right, let's get to it. And take it away.
This is Parnassus rocking a V6 motor, expected to reach an apogee of 450 feet at a nice pace of 127 miles per hour. It is only 66 grams, so it should give us a good idea of the strength of the wind up there and help us calibrate.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
450.
And it deployed. Completely worked. And I think that was about 300 feet. Say that again?
Did literally all the things it was supposed to do.
All right, so this is Parnassus, and as you can see, Parnassus deployed exactly the way it was supposed to. The nose cone stayed attached, this thing fully deployed, and the rocket is in one piece and not broken. So that's very rare occurrence. So we just want to mark it right now.
Nothing sus about that at all.
Nothing sus about that.
This is a Windsock, equipped with a C18 motor to reach an apogee of 665 feet at a velocity of 177 miles per hour, 50 faster than the last one we did. That weighs 115 grams. I'm not sure what mountain is called Windsock, but I'm sure it's lovely.
It's the only time we break the convention.
We've never done it before.
Never done it before.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Did almost exactly the opposite of what I had it do.
Oh no, no. Oh yeah.
Successfully deployed, and it's getting dragged right off.
Yeah, it's all right. It's still in our area, and boom, it fully worked.
Very good. That's nice.
Very good. We'll catch that one up at the end. All right, here we go. We're gonna do the igniter for this rocket. So Kasper will load it up. I'll help him
Why
here.
don't you hold this?
Why does it get windy all of a sudden?
Because we've had enough success for the
We've
day.
had 2 rockets work,
Too
so
many
now,
successes.
now it's really windy.
This one's got to be a
Right.
dangerous one.
All right.
That one's on.
I have those more. You can take some out if you want.
Yep.
All right, so that's how we arm it.
Yep.
Now it's armed, and away we go to the... Since last time, I've rewired our our clips, our wire clips, to a little bit beefier. So hopefully it'll be more reliable. And then let's go to Elli for the description of this rocket.
This is, as you can see, Kasper setting up Gona, another C-18. This one with an apogee of 723 feet, a velocity of 194. Both of those numbers are higher due to its lighter mass of 105 grams, 10 lighter than the last rocket that we just did.
3, 2, 1.
That was a good straight flight. And I do not think it's going to deploy.
The nose cone
Cone's
is
off,
off,
but no,
Yeah,
not enough wind.
didn't
or not
fully,
enough ejection charge.
yeah, didn't fully eject.
But it's within the
Nice
zone
bubble.
of safety, so
And we will get it back.
nice episode.
Interesting.
I'm sorry, did you say Nidze?
Nitze.
Nidze, this is Nidze. Another C-18, excuse me, with an apogee of 680 feet, a velocity of 185 miles per hour, and a mass of 109, 4 grams heavier than Gona.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on. Deploy. Oh, yes. All right.
Exactly what it's supposed to do.
Exactly what it's supposed to do.
So flexible.
Oh, and we can get it. Yahoo!
This is PIKA, a nice jaunty name for a D20 motor. Expected apogee of 840 feet, the highest so far, at a velocity of 212, also the highest so far. And it has a mass of 127, also the highest so far. We're moving up in the world.
Yeah.
I like this long nose cone.
Isn't it lovely looking? It's pretty attractive, I think.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, yeah. It deployed. Oh my goodness, though. It may end up in the pit. It has a parachute.
The parachute's coming.
Oh no. There it is. Oh, that's gonna be.
Be on the edge of the field.
Is it gonna be, or is it gonna be in the pit?
I wasn't super sure.
Well, Kasper, I think.
Wind change directions.
Yeah.
Like, the upper wind is more.
I think we probably have to
readjust.
Hey! It landed in the field.
Right within.
Yay!
Nice recovery. This is Smolly Cast, our second D20, with an apogee of 720 feet, owing to its longer length of 805 millimeters and its greater mass, 140, 13 above the last one. That's in grams, by the way.
Loud, yeah.
2, 1.
Ooh, something happened there.
Yeah.
Oh, it deployed.
Tremendous pop.
I think you might have ejected the nose cone.
It didn't go very high.
Yeah, I don't see a nose cone either.
It looks like the nose cone was removed.
Yeah, and hey, we will get it back.
This is Tav, our third critical D20 of the mission. Another apogee of 720 feet and the same velocity, 191 miles per hour. The differences are in the length and diameter. This one's a little shorter and a little bit wider, and it weighs exactly 1 gram less, 139 grams compared to 140.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That was super fast. I don't think I caught it all.
No,
Oh, wow!
These are really powerful bees.
Somebody jumped again.
That was a blowout.
Yeah.
Full separation.
Still
of
recoverable
recovery
though.
in the body.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow the
Upper or lower?
the upper part because
The
it
lower
has the most
portion's
expensive
definitely-
piece.
Lower portion is definitely making it back.
Yeah.
Yep.
upper
It's down
portion.
the upfield.
Maybe
Oh
not.
man, come on down, get down, get down, get down.
You almost regret putting a recovery on sometimes.
Yeah.
That's a little bit, I think. Is it?
Oh,
Oh,
yes! Yay!
Incredible.
This is
Take it.
This is Jezerse with a D22 motor, an apogee of 600 feet, a velocity of 155 miles an hour, a substantial increase in length. This is 1600 millimeters, or 1.6 meters. Very impressive. It's 234 grams. Should go pretty good.
3, 2, 1. Too heavy.
All right, it worked. Something came off it. Nose cone came off, maybe.
I think that was an engine too.
Could be the engine tube. It's coming down fast.
Will it be recoverable?
Yep.
That is a yes.
Yay!
Both have landed in the same place.
All right. All right, I shouldn't do this. But so far, we will get all of them back. So we're 100% so far, but we've still got a few to go, and I'm sure I've just ruined it.
This is Tav Viv, our second D22, with an apogee of 100 feet more, that being 700. A velocity of 174 feet due to its lighter weight of 209 grams. That's 25 grams lighter if you're interested.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
That was,
Yeah.
that was very nice. Oh, and it,
We did have a separation again.
So the
It's-
fins are coming down front.
it looks like the fins popped out.
Oh, look at that. See if it's
That's
breaking
cool.
the thread or breaking the other. I'm gonna check
I knew that the tolerance was a little bit not tight enough.
I'm gonna see if it's a layer break or a thread break.
Okay. Here she comes. I think we're gonna get this one back too.
Handily.
Yes! All right. Well, that rocket blew apart, but we recovered both pieces. So one of the nice things about the new threaded rocket system is our rockets are getting too long, we can't fit them in the car. And so now we can just unscrew them at the brake point, screw them together, and away we go.
Away we go.
All right. Let's pop that one on.
This is Corb, an E26, moving up to the E's now. It has a projected apogee of 735 feet. It's going to be going at a velocity of 176 miles per hour, roughly. It's a nice 1.6 meters, again, much like Jezerse was. And it weighs 293 grams exactly.
Wow.
It's getting big.
3, 2, 1.
Little squirrely.
It's a loose an arrow.
I can't find it.
I've got to look on it. It hasn't popped at all.
All right, we should probably
No detonation charge whatsoever.
get out of the
Was
way.
that meant to deploy at some point?
It was
Yeah.
meant to have a detonation charge. I don't think it did when, it's just floating down.
Oh, there it is. Whew. It did not detonate.
No detonation charge.
All right, whoa. Well, I lost that one.
This is Viren, another E26, this one with the highest projected apogee of today so far, 900 feet at the highest projected velocity, 217 miles per hour. It's a lot shorter than the last one, which I like the short ones. I think they're interesting. And it has got a mass of 236 grams, a little bit lighter than Corb.
Nice.
3, 2, 1.
Ice. Oh, good. Perfect.
I don't think we missed a single piece.
That did exactly what it's supposed to do.
Whoever is calculating the angles is doing a great job today.
Not really. I don't know if we're getting this one back.
Come on fast. It has kind of a... Oh, that has a that has a homemade chute, so I'm okay.
I don't think we're getting this one back. But maybe
It is a shorter one, remember, so
the wind is
it
trying
looks
to.
further away than it
Come
is.
on down.
Close.
I think that's just
it's
within.
real close.
It's on our side. This
Take it.
absolute beast is Musula. It's an F67 motor with an apogee of 1,060 feet. That's about 1/5 of a mile. It's quite high, especially for today. At a velocity of 230 miles per hour. Even with this mass, that's the fastest we're gonna have today. Now, this was gonna be our 13th rocket. It's our 12th now because Olympus is busy with current events. That was gonna be our 12th rocket. It has a mass of 600 grams. That's more than half a kilo. That's pretty big. It's 1,435 millimeters long, and its diameter is 90 millimeters.
All right, here we go.
It's friggin' huge.
It's pretty big.
It's friggin'
It
huge.
has the largest internal volume of any rocket we've launched so far. Okay, we've moved to a fuse because we had an igniter fault. Take it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, great.
Wow, man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Yay!
I think we lost the engine tube.
Some pieces came off, but man.
Yeah, rapid aerial deconstruction of the engine tube.
Engine tube's down.
Yeah!
I believe that marks a 100% recovery rate for this launch.
We are going to get 100% of the rockets that went up back.
And these are all first-time flyers.
All first-time flyers, so we're really happy about that design. Anyway, we'll pick up all the rockets before we go. And right now we're going to do an outro in just a second. Well, that was a pretty successful launch here in August at the Windsor Fairgrounds. We completely changed the way we attach rockets together with a threaded tube system. We completely changed the way we mount motors to an inside threaded system, and we changed our piston system, recovery system, to a way that worked almost flawlessly. We did have a couple of airframe failures where some weak points in the print blew up during the ejection charge, and that is because the motor is seated so much more securely in the rocket that we have to look around for other places where the rocket might fail under extreme pressure. So, hey, it's a success. So we're gonna go pick up all our rockets. You probably won't see us again until September. It's fair season, so this place will be busy. Hopefully see you in early September, if not before. Thanks, and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.